start this video. Actually, today I'm very, very happy, and I'm going to tell you why I'm happy. So to our returning subscribers, we thank you so much. To the new subscribers, we thank you so much. Thank you for liking our channel, for subscribing to our channel, for commenting down below and liking our video. We appreciate it so much. We salute you. You are the real deal. Today, I'm shooting the video in a very, very happy mood because I loved how Jamaicans can defend their culture, their food, their way of life. You know, I looked at the video where this guy, I don't know whether he's a guy by the way or a woman, because she's calling herself Miss Netta. Is it Miss Netta or Mrs. Netta or Mr. Netta? I cannot tell. But this guy went for a holiday in Jamaica. And I think I've told you the guy is a black American. So he went for a holiday in Jamaica, and of course, he had to eat Jamaican food of all types. And I'm sure he enjoyed himself in the beauty of Jamaica, the different places that tourists go in Jamaica. Then guys, he went back to America, went to his platform in TikTok and started talking how nasty, how disgusting Jamaican food is. Who does that? First of all, let me defend Jamaicans, because this guy, it's like he had his own issues. Because I cannot understand why you can actually come all the way from your country, you go to other people's country, you enjoy their food, which is cooked with love. Remember we said Jamaican food is prepared in love. It is actually packed in love. It represents who Jamaicans are. It represents their culture. It represents their way of life. It represents their everyday activity. Because Jamaicans love cooking. Jamaicans love good food. Jamaicans love their food. And then you come all the way from your land and you enter Jamaica. You eat their food for all the time you are there for your holidays. And then you go back to your country and talk about the food that is known in the whole world, the food that is number 2 in the whole world, the food that is recognized by everyone in the whole world, the food that is praised by everyone in the whole world. You call that food disgusting, nasty? You don't just disrespect Jamaicans, you disrespect the people that go there, enjoy the food, find the food tasty, find the food enjoyable. Yeah. How dare you, Mr., Mrs., Miss Netta? Is it Netta? How dare you come out of your country if you knew that you're not going to enjoy the Jamaican food? Then you would have remained in America. You have your burgers and all that food that you eat there in America in your own country. You didn't have dared to come to a people that are loving, that are welcoming, that are hospitable, that are good people and great people, and you abuse them like that? You disrespect them like that? Shame on you. Guys, this guy is very, very disgusting himself. Because I cannot imagine. I visit a country. I enjoy their food. I stay there for a time. Then I go back to my country and start saying how disgusting their food is. That was very uncalled for. But let me tell you guys, he faced the love Jamaican people. I didn't know that Jamaican people can actually be that aggressive and that, what can I describe them? When it comes to them being attacked by a person, they came online and the social media was burning, fire, fire, fire. Everybody was answering Mr., Miss, Mrs. Netta. Everybody was actually calling him names. I think in his lifetime, he has never faced such hatred, such response to people, not actually hatred, let me not even use the word hatred, because he started it all. It's not hatred. They were responding to his hate of their food, and therefore they came online in large numbers. Guys, I'm going to put for you the clips, the video clips of Jamaicans responding to this guy. I don't know whether to call him a guy or a woman. Responding to him and putting him in his place where he belongs, telling him off and telling him, we do not want to see you back in Jamaica. You are prohibited and banned from stepping your foot in the soils of Jamaica, because you cannot hate the culture of the people, the way of life of the people, what the people do each and every day, and then you go back to that country? No. So Jamaicans have told you clearly, you are prohibited from going to Jamaica, because you cannot disrespect them. You cannot trash them and trash their food and talk so badly, and then you want to go back there? And guys, this guy is very daring. He came back to social media to apologize when he saw the fire that was being thrown at him, the words that were being thrown at him, the rebuke that was being thrown at him. He came back to social media and tried to apologize. But the Jamaicans are very firm in what they say and do. You are not going to disrespect people, and you had thought about it. You sat down, you prepared a video, and then you come to say sorry? Is that sorry genuine? Does that sorry come from your heart? I don't think so. Because I don't understand why you enjoyed yourself in Jamaica, then went back to America, prepared yourself, went to social media, shot a video, and declared what your mind was thinking about the Jamaican food. And therefore, your apologies were actually rejected by the people of Jamaica. And they have a reason to reject your apologies, because they are not genuine. You cannot just come and trash people. You cannot step on people. You cannot abuse the culture, the way of life of people, the day-to-day activities of people. And then you come again to say that you are sorry. That sorry, I don't think it comes from inside you. It was just a way of just apologizing so that you can actually have a chance to go back to Jamaica. But sorry to you, your time to go to Jamaica has already expired, because you stepped on the wrong people. Jamaicans, you are not going to step on them. You are not going to trash them. You are not going to disrespect them. They showed you the tingo. They showed you who they are. And you are not going to do anything about that. So you are banned from going to Jamaica, not because Jamaicans are bad, because you yourself, you started it off. You came to the soil of Jamaicans and disrespected them. What do you think you are? You cannot actually step on people's soil and actually go and trash them, abusing them, calling their food trash that you never enjoyed it. Very bad. And therefore, my sisters and brothers in Jamaicans responded to him the right way. They put him in the right place. They actually defended their country with all their power, with all their strength, with all their mind. And this is what made me laugh. Actually, I was looking at those scripts and I was laughing throughout. Because I love the way Jamaicans can stand with their nation, can stand with their culture, can stand with their way of life. Nobody is around to go trashing other people, stepping on them, treading on them. You cannot do that. And Jamaicans, above all that, all the other people, you will not trash them. You will not disrespect them. And you know now. I know wherever you are, you know the tingo now. You know you cannot just trash the people of Jamaica. And by the way, it's not just Jamaicans. I saw the Caribbeans coming for their cousins, the Jamaicans, and they actually attacked this guy. Let me call him a guy. They attacked him and they told him, you cannot pray around. You cannot joke with our cousins. When it comes to attacking us, we unite and handle you. I loved the Caribbean countries more than ever. Do you know, I realized that the Caribbean countries are so united that they wait for you to attack one of them and they'll come all of them to defend their cousins. They'll not just sit down and wait for their other Caribbean islands trashed by somebody, brought down by somebody. No. They came in handy to defend Jamaica. They stood their ground and told Netta that you're not going to joke around with our cousins. You cannot just come and call us those names, our food. And people are saying from the other Caribbean islands, Jamaican food is good, just like anyone else who has ever visited Jamaica. People talk about the great food of Jamaica. Where did this man come from? Ama he has a problem with his taste buds. I don't know. Because you are the only one who talks about the Jamaican food being bad. I have never had any other person. And I think you have your own issues. And thank God you apologized. Though your apologies were not taken by the people of Jamaica. Because once you talk some words, you cannot return them. Once the damage is done, going to social media to proclaim how bad Jamaican food is. Do you know how many people have heard that? Do you know Jamaica depends on tourism? Do you know you are destroying the country's popularity? Because Jamaican food is so popular. And that is why we are telling you, shame on you. Don't come to a country and start trashing what you have found. Everybody knows Jamaican food is good. It is popular all over the world. Where do you come from? So I was so happy by the response of the Jamaicans themselves and the response of the people of Caribbean. And I'm going to put the clips here of how people responded to Mr. and Miss Netta. The way they responded to him and the way they told him off. So you're going to enjoy the clips. Then I'll come back and conclude the video. So guys, enjoy the clips and see how Jamaicans can fight for their nation, can fight for their culture, can fight for anything that belongs to them. And the Caribbean cousins, how they can come and defend their cousin, how they can stand with their cousins, how they cannot allow their cousin to be brought down. So kindly watch the clips, then I'll come back to complete the video.
And you know, we went to Jamaica, and I can say that Jamaica food was disgusting. I couldn't get with it. I couldn't get with it. You know, so even they fried chicken at their little generic KFC wasn't even good to me. But Jamaican food just gave me a whole different taste. And I can't say I did not like that. They did not. I mean, it was, and then not only that, the drinks, they don't have American liquor. they got Jamaican liquor. They didn't have American like juices. They had Jamaican juices, and all of that tastes totally different from our American food. And it was what I wanted. I wanted some fried chicken and some pinto beans, and they wasn't gonna have no. I can't say the food wasn't good. I'm not gonna say the food was not good, but what I can say is it wasn't nothing. It wasn't something that I really.
Miss Netta, you hear the word I calling you? Miss Netta. Because Miss Netta, you went to our cousin country. And you come back on this app. And you say, our cousin country, the food is nasty. Miss Netta, did our cousin send for you to come there? Miss Netta, you stayed in a resort. And even if you stayed in a resort, Miss Netta, the food, you don't mess with our cousin. Miss Netta, when you mess with one cousin, you mess with all the cousins on this app. Miss Netta, like I said, did our cousin send for you to come? Or you come there on your own? Miss Netta, when it comes to our cousins' culture, when it comes to our cousin food, Miss Netta, we make our food with love. We make it with love, Miss Netta. Miss Netta, don't come to our country. Because we didn't send for you. And if I was an immigration officer and you come to our other cousin's country, like Barbados, St. Vincent, Grenada, Guyana, Trinidad, I will stamp your passport, return back to sender. Miss Netta, did our cousin send for you or you went there? And you then come back on this app and give some kind of floozy apology. Miss Netta, don't mess with our cousin. Because when you mess with one cousin, you mess with all the cousins. Because every cousin make their food with love, Miss Netta. You understand? So like I said, don't mess with us. Because we don't play with our food. We don't play with that. You mess with the wrong cousins, Miss Netta. Because we will bring you to the front and class you, Miss Netta.
So, me I get to understand so this big fat stinking overweighted blood clot woman, Mr. Netta from Blood Clot America. I don't come talk about say she not like blood clot Jamaican food. No, you big fat shape body decomposing carrot blood clot body. Well, look like I say when God a blood clot make you incut you out of the blood clot, see and shape out in a one pan of blood clot aisle. Because you no cut out good a blood clot. Me no know why make it all go and make them remove the army man them out of your blood clot face, huh? The one of them man them where the shot pay blood clot gun from out of your blood clot face, my love, and a pay white gun them a shot out of your blood clot face, my love. Cause me no know how blood clot Charles fuck you, my love. Cause me know so Charles, when Charles a fuck you, my love, it must bag your blood clot head. Cause me as a man, my love, me coulda never fuck you to pussy clot, my love. You look like a the transmission in the carrier one change from 20 blood clot 2001 until now you know blood clot change, my love. You is a old rusty blood clot transmission. You is a old stinking shit in a blood clot plate, my love. You don't realize that it growing when you're growing and it deform your blood clot belly. Huh? You don't realize that you walk with a blood clot deform stomach. Huh? You are the only one missing to blood clot when I walk with truck upon your blood clot body, my love. Because I peer rim upon your blood clot stomach, my love. And the whole of your breast, your back, and your blood clot foot in a one, my love. So therefore, my love, you could never come for Jamaican food, my love. Because even with blood clot, pork belly look better than blood clot, you. So the day you don't come for blood clot Jamaican people and Jamaican blood clot food, they fix your deforming, decomposing body hole and blood clot move from here. So why make it all bring a big stinking body hole over blood clot hospital, my love, and treat it out and make the man them cut up your blood clot, my love, and take out the decomposing out of your pussy hole. Huh? Why me gonna talk about your body hole where still got the wall of blood clot America? You shitty walk and fuck and suck to no blood clot, my love. You could never come for Jamaican food a blood clot, my love. Because me not look for you, my love, because all of the cook where your blood clot cook, my love, that the shot of pea blood clot salt and a little bit of seasoning. So you feel add a little bit of seasoning to your blood clot decomposing body, your shape bad blood clot body. You remind me of the blood clot, like I went time horse fuck jackass, my love, and get a blood clot mule. Cause you is a blood clot mule. Me don't know how Charles fuck you. Me don't know how Charles pushing 3-inch cock in a your blood clot, my love. Don't come for we go for your so-called mama Bertha ugly bitch like a your blood clot. You big fat decomposing transmission. Who felt the pussy clot and go away? Shit in a plate. Go ahead.
Bandolo. Hey guys, Miss Netta. I don't like what you do. I don't like what you do. So, you come on the island, right? And we'll let you in as an unidentified species. Because we don't know Yawa. You don't know Yawa. And we don't know Yawa. Nobody don't know Yawa. And you take your mouth and name the food. And you take the same thinking mouth and I go try to say food nasty. We don't like that. Again, whether you go and die girl in laser. Before you go and die laser, if you are finished and verb. And I see the girl intentionally burn you up. And you come back out favor film. You know, classic elements of them place nasty. I'm sure Jamaica never do the procedure in another setting like. You come back again. And if you go to the Bahamas, go look on your post at the Bahamas. You never have a long blouse. You don't have a blouse. You have a one tank top. And you come to Jamaica and for you go down a town, go buy one wholesale bag of baggy. Because a baggy wholesale cheap. Wholesale baggy cheap. Buy one bag of baggy down a wholesale. Because you have 2 extra vagina under your arm. One under the arm and one under the arm. And for you buy the baggy and put the baggy and cover up the extra vagina that we have under the arm. Yeah, walk and say food nasty. You know, read up history and study up history. You know, take initiative. You know, smart. And why when you come to Jamaica, you don't have nothing, you ever lack of something. Because the girl left from here to the combo, Jamaica's not better than, he never had no good speech. And you see what happened to him in a reach far. The one that come from Bahamas there, he never have no neck. When everybody at Olympic, the neck and neck in areas in the head and chest, kind of no neck. And you come, you don't even have a face. You don't have any face. So you need to shut the hole in your upper body and drink hot beer and shut your ass down. And have a fuck right place. I sing about Charles, your lunch is ready. I know Charles, this are Jamaicans. I only cook for you. We're going to cook your blood clot. Do the most. Everybody are quite their ass down because cartel concert around the corner and I'm going to remind everybody why inside big yard. You know, cut your ass down like everybody else. You're enough of yourself. Look in yourself and sort out yourself. Everybody are ugly in a small, medium and large. You're ugly in a triple XL and other sizes currently being considered. Look in yourself and they can't go on some man. No come back down here. You know why you're down here, we can't manage it. We can't manage it. We can't manage it. We can't manage it. Everybody act their age. Act like a big sitting. Act like a big something. Act like a big sitting. Everybody act their age. Act like a big sitting. I wouldn't like them sitting the way you don't do. No come back here.
I am not sure how much of you saw this video with this overripe plantain when it burn up. Behaving the most way, talking about how Jamaican food tastes disgusting and Jamaican food don't taste good. But me no blame you still, you know, because you're coming from a place where it is nothing but pure processed food. Nothing that's no ripe naturally, nothing that's no grow naturally unless you live in a certain part of the country where you can plant your own food. But other than that, a pure friggin' processed food filled with fertilizer and steroid and all these things. So when you come to a tropical country like Jamaica, the food are going to taste different to you. So it comes to the conclusion that you don't know what good food tastes like. Because all of your life you probably eat all of them processed food. And that's how your friggin' look so, you know. Because me can't identify your gender if you're a friggin' man or you a woman. Fucking transmission. She, they, them, he, is. Me don't know where you be. You're wrong for that. You're wrong for that. And nobody come apologize. Because you don't say what you say already. But if you visit Jamaica and you're staying on a resort, you're not going to get the same authentic Jamaican food that you would get outside of the resort. So, me no know which part of Jamaica you come or which hotel or wherever you go, me no want to know that, but you're wrong for your talk about say, oh, Jamaican food tastes disgusting. Like, you don't know what good food tastes like. You don't know what good food tastes like. So, you go come with no bullshit all the time. Try to attack Jamaica just because you probably want the little hype and the little clout, or you probably want to go viral because you have a platform with must about 800,000 people pan here, and yet still not come and look close off a little Jamaica where we have the good authentic food, the good nice food on here. You're wrong, sir. Or miss, whatever. Transmission. You're wrong for that.
Jamaica food was disgusting.
Excuse me, sir, man, miss. No boy face will look like Nutty Body ice cream can disrespect Jamaican food. No boy with them face will look like coconut drops can disrespect Jamaican food.
Which summer? Which holiday?
No boy will pretend say my woman can disrespect Jamaican food. Shalom.
Me say too much bumbo clap, Batman, and transmission.
Somebody better tell the Rocky Road face and no linger right eye, gargoyle looking bumbo will ever stop talking about Jamaican food. A brother you look like walking sickness. In my real definition for plaka plaka. Him look like the definition for things and times hard. Him look like him have molly gripe and fluxy complain. Him look like a bullfrog. Rabbit. The fact that the man disrespect Jamaican KFC when we have the best KFC in the world prove to me saying no, nothing good. Oh, you have to taste the succulent tail of the ox and say that nasty. Oh, you have to see a plate of jerk chicken and don't appreciate the spice of life. Make me tell you something bad built, batty boy. Whenever you talk about Jamaica, use nice words. And just like my hat, you can go suck your mother.
Radam! Blood clot, natty.
Miss Netta, come here, let me talk to you. Listen to this. And Jesus passed by. He saw a man which was blind from his birth. And his disciples asked him, saying, Master, who did sin, this man or his parents, that he was born blind? See, I'm blind here, I'm blood clot deaf. Well, Netta, you're brave, eh? What makes you so brave? What are all of the countries that may decide to come and Jamaica and talk about the people and food? Eh? You see, you're crazy. You crazy. So I tell me, say there one old with Miss Netta, and you could have grown a bag of half a look mackerel and dumpling. I mean, if you're the power resort, there must be a Jamaican day. So you could have get look at Aki and Safi and Axel and so you really can talk about the people and food nasty. You're talking about the people and culture, good Jamaican food that everybody talk about nice. I feel like you don't want to look at Miss Netta. You look at greater face. Girls eat whatever you want to be. Miss Netta the wrong country, you know, because them not stop drag you. And next 5, 3, 4 years, Miss Netta them a drag you. Them a drag you to the mud, the pit, the slime, the toilet, the hog pen, the cow pen. Them not gonna stop dragging Miss Netta. So you're trying to do damage control, Miss Netta. A Jamaican people and this here talk about. So in terms of the world with Miss Netta, you're there and you have nothing good, nothing. That the little greater cake will look like your face. Nothing, Miss Netta. Bad to bad, Miss Netta. The mighty name of Jesus against you. My advice, Miss Netta, don't go to any other Caribbean country, especially Jamaica. You are declined, deport. And next thing, get a pressure pill and go there, go send up your pressure right up. They got pressure like a chicken foot in a pot. And then we got here something about KFC chicken, the Jamaican national fowl. Colonel, shall I everything in the US.
We went to Jamaica, and I can say that Jamaica food was disgusting.
Good day. Take off this. Me never have time for you address it, but me have time now. Mr. Netta, me see your company internet I come talk about how Jamaican food disgusting. Then I come back I come talk about how I'm sorry, we were on the resort in Jamaica and we couldn't use our debit card because we were out of the US. So we had to eat the resort food. And the resort food is what I said was disgusting. We don't want your apology. Move your bumbo clot. First of all, if you want to know disgusting, looking at the fucking mirror. If you want to know disgusting, look on the armpit where you sag like seed bag. You look like any day now you're about to melt like some fucking ice cream. You look like a big loaf of bumbo clot ginger bread. You look like vomit. Me literally never see somebody yet will look like vomit. You look like vomit. Don't make them think they come out of your mouth again. You're fucking out order. I'm bright. We mash you up in this. Fucking shit.
Miss Netta spell bath. bath. Because you look like you need one. You look like you need to soak in some salt and vinegar. It's alright if you have your own opinion. And Miss Netta says she don't like Jamaican food. Alright, fine. But then, are the way how Miss Netta talk? Miss Netta talk and Miss Netta skin up her face. Miss Netta look like one of the bullfrog them way across the road and never make it cross the road. Miss Netta look like a Scotch Brite that have been used for 10-15 years non-stop. You look like somebody need to stuff you back in your mama make you born again cause something not right. You look unfinished. 30. The audacity. After Miss Netta cancer the day go like say she want food pies with Charles. Poor Charles.
Guys, I know you're laughing just like me. Did you see? You cannot joke with the people of the Caribbeans. You cannot joke with the Jamaicans. You cannot bring Jamaicans down. This guy prayed with the wrong people, stepped on the wrong people, joked with the wrong people. So he should learn his lesson not to just go to a country and start talking negativity about that country. I know he has learned his lesson. He will never, never, ever go to a country and then go back to America and start trashing other people's way of life, other people's culture, other people's traditions. No. He has faced the love of the people of Jamaica. I love that. Igwe to the people of Jamaica. Igwe, you have done us proud. You have done us good. We are so proud of you as Africans. We are proud of you. We are proud of the way you can stand with your nation. We are proud about the way you can tell people off when they come and trash you in your own land. I salute you and salute you and salute